Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'm going to say each sound and I want you to repeat the sounds and then blend the word together. S, m, a, k. Smack. Sp, I, l. Spill. St, op. Stop. Sk, ab. Scab. Sp, ot. Spot. St, k. Stuck. Good job. All right, we're going to roller coaster some words. So get your hand ready. Here we go. The word is back. B-ack. Wed. W-ed. Kit. K-it. Top. T-op. Bus. B-us. Pop. Op. Tub. T-ub. Ham. Am. Met. Et. And rid. R-id. Good. All right. Now we're going to segment some words. So I'll say the word and then we're going to chop it into its individual phonemes. Stack. St-ack. Spell. Spell. Skill. Skill. Slim. Slim. Snug. Snug. And slob. Slob. Good. All right, go ahead and get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. The word is stack. Change st to sn. Snack. The word is swim. Change sw to sk. Skim. The word is sling. Change sl to st. Sting. The word is spin. Change sp to sk. Skin. The word is slug. Change sl to sm. Smug. Oh, that was the last one. Good job. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the ending part of the word and we're going to add the s sound to the beginning to make a new word. The word is can. Add s to the beginning. Scan. The word is tick. Add s to the beginning. Stick. The word is mug. Add s to the beginning. Smug. The word is leapt. Add s to the beginning. Slept. The word is lap. Add s to the beginning. Slap. Good. Now we're going to delete that s sound and see what we're left with. The word is slip. Without s, the word is lip. The word is snag. Without s, the word is nag. The word is swing. Without s, the word is wing. The word is smart. Without s, the word is mart. The word is still. Without s, The word is till. Good job today.